Some things hold their value quietly. Some are designed to endure. Space is protected. Nature is given room to lead. Movement slows into something gentler. Time finds space to breathe. Homes sit naturally within their surroundings. Green extends far beyond buildings. Paths are shaped for people. Distance is considered. Light is allowed in. Calm is designed. Balance takes form here, carefully, deliberately, for everyday life, for the long term. Sobha Sanctuary, a life within.